I think it's pretty monumental that we were able to do this and make that much money. Like, I didn't think I could do that. But 3 deliveries.
Now, with college admissions becoming increasingly harder every year, at first, we were hoping that it would be something, beneficial to our applications.
I think it's we're right here.
And we're about to deliver 3 dozens of cookies.
Okay, masks.
But later on, we really realized how much we loved running the business. Hi.
Are these the orange creamsicle ones?
Yeah,
They're so good.
She made some.
Yeah, I feel
Yeah.
like your
Thanks.
flavors are always like really unique.
Aw.
And the fact that they rotate so often is like really fun.
Hi. How are you? Would you like some cookies?
Sure, what do you got here?
We're almost sold out, but we've got snickerdoodle and chocolate chip.
Is it you that makes these?
Yep, I make these, and me and my friend, we started this business about a year ago to raise money for COVID relief. $10 for 1 dozen.
Thank you.
We started Do-Re-Mi last year in May 2020 as a way for us to fill up our time since COVID pretty much canceled all of our summer plans.
We knew that other people had it a lot worse.
We'll dedicate Friday nights to baking our cookies.
After baking on Friday nights, we get here at about 7:30 or 7:15 and set up the farmer's market.
You literally got here at 8:40 today. You said 7:30 and 7:15.
Oh, sorry, 8:15 or 8:30-ish.
Wow, calling her out.
Oh, she always does this. And then we're here until about 1 p.m. and then we leave to do our deliveries.
I think most everyone.
I think all of them are return customers, yeah.
Delivering to apartment complexes is always a struggle.
It's a lot of work. Just getting in is a hassle. So I just got my driver's license. But my parents don't actually let me go on deliveries by myself since they don't think it's safe. At first it was actually pretty hard because we couldn't get out of debt.
It was just because of startup costs with paying for the website domain and all the ingredients at the beginning.
I think the thing that really jump-started our business was our Austin-American Statesman article in July 2020. That one article in the newspaper brought in over 40 orders that week. I was up until 4 a.m. packaging the cookies and baking all of them and putting the finishing touches on them. Yeah, so that was at least 1,200 scoops.
When we're scooping, we're usually FaceTiming, right?
Yeah.
All we hear is the sound.
Occasional sharing of pain.
Oh, it was so much. And my mom had to help me, and my parents were like, "Why did you do this to yourself?" And I was like, I mean, I didn't think we would go this far. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hmm.
You're gonna be a hit. We stayed up so late on Friday night trying to decide what to do because we were panicking because Amazon forgot to deliver our boxes. We were like, Jeff Bezos, where are you? $10 for a box.
Okay.
They don't really teach us about, business and finance in school. I think unless you take a business elective.
Part of it is problem solving.
We were thinking of a way to make our business kind of stand out because cookies are a very common dessert. We thought we would do something good for the community since we knew that a lot of people were struggling in our community due to COVID, being laid off from jobs and struggling to find resources to help them.
We're usually at about positive $200 after every monthly donation.
We actually keep our tips to thank ourselves for all the hard work that we do.
Oh, this looks familiar. Yeah, one time this guy gave us $100. Actually, no, he did it twice.
Twice.
As a tip?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
tip.
it's a tip.
We were like,
Yeah.
can we take this?
Can we?
this
Is it okay
crazy.
for us to take this?
Yeah, but honestly, they're like, yeah, we
Yeah,
kind of need
honestly.
this because we hadn't broken even yet. I think having Asian immigrant parents kind of puts us into a box at first as to our future. They kind of expect us to go into medicine and law or engineering. I thought I was gonna go into medical something for sure. But now that I've started this business, I think that studying business in college and like maybe doing something entrepreneurial in my future, it's not completely out of the question anymore. I never thought I really had the guts to do that.
So it's actually the exact same for me.
We're like the same person.
Yeah, so I always thought business was not for me. I'm not really a people person.
I think that it's helped me realize that like, as long as you have a drive and maybe like a partner to like encourage you along the way and do everything together, you can kind of do everything, like anything. Anything is possible. Cheers! I think that's just crazy to think about.